So how do we multiply 287 times 26? How do we multiply 287 times 26? So you need to remember 26 is actually made up of 20 and 6, right? So we can do it part by part. So the first thing I need to do is I can do 287 times 6 first. Yeah, so let's do that. 287 times 6. So let's think about your 6 times table. So I'm going to list it on the side here. 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 6, 18. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 6, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 7 times 6, 42. 8 times 6, 48. 9 times 6, 56. 54. And 10 times 6, 60. Okay, so the first 6 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 times 7 is 42. So 4 goes above, 2 comes below. Next, 8 times 6. What is 8 times 6? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 6 is 48. So 48 plus my 4. So 48 plus 4, that will give you 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So 52. So my 5 will still be regrouped up here because I still have my hundreds place. So now it's 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 5, that will give you 17. Okay, so now I have done my first part, which is 287 times 6. Next, I need to multiply by my 20. 287 times 20. So 20 is actually 2/10. So what I can actually do is I can take, okay, let me change a different color now. 287 times 2 first, because this is 2/10. Yeah? So later on, my answer, I just put a 0 behind first. Okay? But for now, I can ignore it. So let's begin. 2 times 7. So now I need my 2 times table. So let me list my 2 times table. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so let's begin. 2 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So 1 goes above and 4 comes down below. Next, 2 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Now 16 plus the 1, that will give me 17. I cancel out to remind me I need to plus, yeah? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And so that becomes 540. So remember this 4, let me change it to yellow so that you know that it's part of it. So this 0, is part of it. So now what I need to do, the last step is I need to add them together. So I take 1722 plus 5740. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 7 is 14. So I need to regroup. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. And so that's how you get your final answer. This is 7,462.